Power down and unplug your MacBook Pro. Then ground yourself to prevent static. Remove the back case using a Phillips number 00 screwdriver. Keep screws organized. Disconnect the battery connector carefully to avoid shorting components. Locate the internal microphone near the top speaker assembly. Unscrew and lift the microphone bracket. Note the 1.6mm screws. Gently disconnect the microphone flex cable using a spudger. Avoid pulling wires. Place the new microphone. Seat the flex connector fully until it clicks. Reinstall the microphone bracket and tighten 1.6mm screws snugly, not over-torqued. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring alignment and firm seating. Reattach the back case and secure all screws in their original positions. Power on the MacBook and open voice memos to test the microphone. Record a short clip, check levels, and speak clearly to confirm success.